Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a dividend reinvestment plan for your investments held with CommSec. First, it's important to understand that a DRP allows you to automatically reinvest your cash dividends into additional shares of the same company, often without brokerage fees. While CommSec is your broker, the actual setup of a DRP is typically handled by the company's share registry, not directly within your CommSec account. CommSec can, however, help you locate the correct share registry. To begin, log into your CommSec account using your secure credentials. Once you are logged in, use the search function to find the specific company or ETF for which you want to set up a dividend reinvestment plan. After selecting the company, look for and click on the About tab. This section will provide you with essential details, including the name and contact information for the relevant share registry. Once you have the share registry's details, visit their official website and register for an investor account if you don't already have one. You will typically need your holder identification number, or HIN, which is found on your CommSec statements. Within the share registry's portal, navigate to the section related to dividends or reinvestment plans. There, you can elect to participate in the dividend reinvestment plan for your chosen shares. After electing to participate, ensure you receive confirmation from the share registry that your dividend reinvestment plan is active. Regularly review the statements provided by the share registry to verify that your dividends are being automatically reinvested into additional shares. Keep in mind that you retain the flexibility to modify or cancel your DRP at any time by logging back into your share registry account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.